All right, today we're going to take a close look at XRP. The whole thing is happening right now on a helium-type chart view, and we're already seeing a pink-colored candle forming on the screen. There are still 5 cars, that's the term I use for the remaining volume units, left to go. And the fact that those 5 cars are still sitting there tells me quite plainly that we're about to get a red candle. Why is that? Well, the color of a candle on this particular kind of chart is basically dictated by the amount of trading volume that's still pending. The more volume you have left, the more colorful or vivid the candle becomes. In this instance, we're sitting at about 150% of the usual volume level. And because we still have those 5 cars left in the delay window, it's practically guaranteed that the next candle will close red. And when I say red candle, I mean a candle that is 100% red on the delay side, which means it's entirely bearish. The reason is simple. Those 5 cars, even though they're a relatively small number, will still cause enough volume to accumulate to push the candle's color fully into the red spectrum. Now, let me tell you what I personally think is going to happen with XRP in the coming minutes and hours, based on the data in front of us. First of all, I want to give a shout out to the entire XRP army. Everyone who follows my XRP-related videos. It's always the same tight-knit community, and I salute each and every one of you out there. Moving on, we have no choice but to acknowledge that the market is currently showing a decidedly bearish dynamic. In fact, a member of my community just messaged me saying that he just cashed out about $110,000 worth of XRP. You can see that transaction right here on the chart. I'm not going to name the person because I respect his privacy, but you can see his activity in the Patriots tab. He sold his entire position, which was roughly $110K in XRP, and that could very well have been the catalyst that sparked the little upward flicker we saw earlier. The thing is, after taking profit at that level, he's like...
That's where I start seeing the potential for XRP to finally break through that $80 barrier, especially when you consider the borderline locator that we've been tracking. You see, we're buying into the borderline locator within the team's strategy, which basically means we're following a higher level indicator that points to a potential bullish reversal. Once we hit that borderline locator, we should see a pink candle appear on the delay side of the chart, signaling that the market is ready to shift its momentum. In my view, this could set up a pocket that lasts up to 48 hours, during which the price could climb all the way to $80. That would be the perfect moment to go long, to take a long position, and ride that move all the way up to what I like to call the Bollerone level. The Bollerone is basically a technical term I use for the point where XRP could finally break out of its current confinement and head for a sustained rally. It's important to understand that the market can be quite volatile, especially when you have news about the Bollerone for XRP in that specific ENSO, or enclosed area. In a future video, I'll break down exactly why I think that scenario is possible, always using Fibonacci retracement levels as the backbone of my analysis. Right now, the Fib levels line up in such a way that an $80 target in the next 48-72 hours looks plausible, and that's the figure I'm betting on. Speaking of opportunities, let me extend an invitation to you to join our 3D community, the one where we're all hanging out together. As you can see right here, the link is right in the description. We're at around 585, 580 on Twitter, and the team is constantly looking for new members who want to learn and trade together. It's free, it's easy, and all you have to do is click on the Borderline video link that's posted right there. When you click it, you'll be taken to the Crypto-Quebec page on Bitmart. All you need to do is enter your email address, and you'll instantly receive a $10,000 bonus credit to start trading. Once you've done that, just shoot me a quick message on Telegram with a screenshot of your registration, and I'll add you straight into the team's private chat. From there, you'll get access to the exclusive clip where we discuss the tiny airplane strategy and a bunch of other tips. So in short, click, register, DM me, and you're in. All right, let's get back to the XRP analysis. If you're thinking about opening a trade on XRP right now, the safest play might be to wait for the gold generation phase. That's the period when the price hovers around the $2 mark, which historically has been a strong support level. Once it clears that $2